Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English words. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is beach, a simple yet delightful noun that describes an area of sand by the sea. Let's explore how this word fits into our everyday language and why it's such a favorite among English speakers. The word beach is often used to talk about a relaxing or scenic place where the land meets the sea. People visit the beach to sunbathe, swim, or enjoy the beauty of the waves. For example, you might say, "We're spending the weekend at the beach to unwind." Some common synonyms for beach include shore, coast, and seashore. Each of these can be used in sentences like, "The children played by the shore, collecting seashells," or "The hotel is right on the coast," offering stunning ocean views. These words share similar meanings, but can vary slightly in usage depending on the context. On the other hand, antonyms for beach might include mountains, forest, or desert, since these describe completely different natural environments. For instance, you could say, "I prefer hiking in the mountains to lying on the beach," or "They decided to explore the desert instead of heading to the beach." In everyday life, you'll hear the word beach used in various situations. Friends might ask, "Do you want to join us for a picnic at the beach this afternoon?" Or you might see a travel advertisement saying, "Escape to a tropical beach paradise." The word brings to mind feelings of relaxation, fun, and summer adventures. Here are a few more examples to help you understand the word better. She built a sandcastle on the beach while her brother swam in the ocean. After a long week, nothing feels better than walking along the beach at sunset. The surfers headed to the beach early in the morning to catch the best waves. To wrap up, we've explored the word beach, its definition, synonyms like shore and coast, antonyms such as mountains and forest, and how it's used in everyday conversations. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps more language learners discover the show. Before you go, I'd love to challenge you to create your own sentence using the word beach. Share it with us in the comments, and I might feature your sentence in a future episode. Until next time, happy learning!